Hello everyone and welcome back to Dot Mandala Magic series part 4 where we will learn about grid making. So for that there is one important thing, how to find the center of circle. It can be a circle or rectangle or square as well, but for that we need to find its center. Then after that we start with grid making. So how to find that center I will tell you in this video. For square and rectangle it is little bit simple, but for circle it is little bit tricky. I will guide you about that. So let's get started. We need to find the center of the surface you are using for your dot mandala creation. This could be a square, rectangle or circle. For square it's quite simple. You just need to draw the diagonal. Draw one line connecting two opposite corners and then another line connecting the other two corners. Where the line intersects is the center of your square. You can find the center of a rectangle the same way. Now let's move on to the slightly trickier part, finding the center of a circle. But don't worry, I am here to guide you through two different methods. For the first method, draw a line across the circle and mark the center of that line. Then draw a second line across the circle, ensuring it's not parallel to the first one. Mark the center of the second line as well. Now draw a perpendicular line from its center point, and where they intersect is the center of your circle. The second method involves cutting out a circle from a piece of paper. Fold the circle in half, then in half again, repeating this process 3 to 4 times until you have a cone-like shape. Place this folded paper on your circle and mark the tip. That is the center of your circle using method 2. Next, draw a line through the center and place your protractor so that the center point aligns with the circle's center. Mark angles from 10 degree to 180 degree and repeat this on the other side. For clarity, I have numbered these points from 1 to 36. Join point 1 with 19, 2 with 20, 3 with 21 and so on. To draw a circle, make markings along one of these lines at equal intervals. 1, 2, 3 and so on until you reach the edge of your circle. Then draw circles from each of these points. And there you have it, your grid is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. In the next one, I will show you how to use dot mandala tools, different dotting techniques and how to create various patterns. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.